Hi, I'm Ruby from Sephora The Grove in Los Angeles. Today I'm going to show you my nighttime skincare routine for oily skin. If you want to check out the products that I'm using, keep on watching. So the first product that I'm going to use to start my makeup removal process is going to be the Sephora Collection Cleansing and Exfoliating Wipes in Green Tea. I love these wipes because they're dual-sided. One is exfoliating, the other one is super soft. So the first one that I'm going to use is going to be the soft side. I'm going to wipe off most of my foundation and then I'm going to move on to the eyes. I like to do the eyes last because I get mascara underneath my eyes, so I like to remove that last. I'm also going to press the wipes against my eye just so that it gets moist and it's easy to take the mascara off. Don't use the exfoliating side underneath your eyes because it could be damaging. I'm going to flip this side over and I'm going to start exfoliating. I like to do this because it just makes sure that all the dirt and oil is off of my skin. Me personally, I love to exfoliate my lips with these wipes. I feel like it makes my lips look super red and juicy, so I kind of just like to do that. The next product I'm going to use is the Tatcha The Deep Cleanse Cleanser. I love the smell of this product. It totally just transports me into like a Japanese spa, so for me that's like really pleasant. I really like this cleanser because it's a oil-free gel cleanser, so it just works with my oily skin. Also, it has loofah fruit formulated inside, which is really cool because it also exfoliates my skin as I'm cleansing. So I'm also just going to massage this into my skin. I like to give myself like a little mini massage for my face just to get the blood flowing. So I'm just going to do that and then I'm going to rinse it off. So I'm just going to pat my skin dry and then I'm going to move on to the next step. I'm going to use the First Aid Beauty Facial Radiance Pads. So these are super cool because they're very gentle. You can use them 2 times a day if you want to and it'll be no problem. They're formulated with glycolic acid and lactic acid, so it's really good for exfoliating the skin. It's going to make you feel really fresh, really clean. It's also going to make your skin really soft too, and I like to have soft skin. One of the most important steps in my routine is toning. So I really like the Tarte KNOCKOUT Tingling Treatment. For me, this is really important because I need my pH balance to be leveled out because my skin is oily. I'm just going to apply this product onto a cotton round. I'm going to start at my neck, work my way up. This product does tingle a little bit. It's also an exfoliator. It has salicylic acid to prevent breakouts, and it also is formulated with a little bit of lactic acid. I'm just going to fan myself off because it is tingling a little bit, which is totally normal. Now, since I exfoliated so much, I need to put some moisture back into my skin. So I'm going to go in with Algenist Power Recharging Night Pressed Serum. Most serums are liquefied. This one is a pressed serum, so it's very different. You need very little of it. It smells so good, guys. Oh my gosh. Like literally, like I think I just smell it sometimes just to smell it. So apply it down by just rubbing my hands together, and then I'm going to press it into my skin. You want to press this into your skin because you want it to penetrate the pore. Don't forget your neck. And I'm just going to tap again. I like to tap my skin a little bit, just again for that blood flow. Get the color back a little bit. Make sure everything's moving. All right, now it's time to moisturize the skin a little bit more. I'm going to use Drunk Elephant PROTINI Polypeptide Cream. This stuff is really cool because it's not in a typical jar. It dispenses just enough product so you don't waste anything. Also, what's really cool about this product, since you're not opening and closing it, air doesn't get trapped inside, so it just makes sure that your product lasts a little bit longer. So the polypeptides in this cream are actually going to really hydrate my skin overnight to ensure that when I wake up in the morning, my skin is really nice and refreshed and juicy and supple. This formula is very lightweight, so I really like that. It doesn't make me feel greasy, so I could totally use this in the daytime as well. So you absolutely cannot forget your eye cream. So I'm going to use Origin's GINZING Refreshing Eye Cream to brighten and depuff. It's really good for dark circles. It's really good when you first wake up in the morning and you have like something to do and you don't want to have puffy eyes. So you could just put this on and you're going to look fresh and awake. I'm going to apply this product under my eye, but I'm not going to get too close to my lash line. Because you actually don't have pores there, the product isn't going to penetrate it, so you want to go a little bit lower. And just to complete my routine, I'm going to add this product to the edges of my lips. All right, guys, there you have it. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comment box below. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you guys want to catch up with me, go ahead and follow me at The Glitter Vamp. Thanks a lot. Have a good night.